Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Wiggins once again. So that's the packaging. First thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. Then we have some goodies, which I have a pair of HD wig caps, I have a pair of lashes, a branded Wiggins elastic headband, edge brush and comb, and finally, I always love getting a good storage wig bag. It's branded as well. So let's get into the wig. I also received this in the package. If you wish to go ahead and use these tips to install your wig, you could do so, because you already know what I'm going to show you, right? Gorgeous pre-style, everything wear and go wig. So this is their new freestyled and braided loose deep wave wig. I got it 24 inches long, and I'm so excited because, you know, a good wavier curly hair is my kind of vibe, right? So as I said, this is their ready and go loose deep wave braided lace front wig. It's a pre everything glueless wig, and of course it's human hair, so it's pre-styled. As you can see, those braids are done so neatly, and it's pre-bleached, right? The lace is pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing that for yourself. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, and they did do some pre-baby hairs for you. Look at that. It's done so neatly, man. And oh my gosh, it's a full-on lace front. It's a 13x6 full lace front. Amazing, right? So this is how it looks. A medium cap. You guys know all my wigs that I get are in medium caps. I feel like it's the safest option for me to go. And they also added this adjustable elastic band inside. It's a total of 3 combs on the inside as well, and adjustable straps in the back. All right, looks great. The hair feels very soft. What I love about this is that these wigs are so beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about doing much. So I absolutely know I'll enjoy this. Everything is done so neatly, and it's very full. I'm going to be sure to put the specific density, the length, everything down below. So please go ahead and check out down below for the specification as well as the direct link. So you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to go ahead and slip this on my head, show you how easy it is to install and just wear and go. Yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, I just cut away the excess on the sides just now, right? Just a small tweak. What I'm gonna do to keep the sides on, you know, my little thing I love to do is get my spray. So I'll get my Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Lace Bond Spray. I'm gonna just spray the sides down, have that dried. But before I do that, I'm actually gonna do that last this time, because I want to fix, like, you know, cancel any cast that's on the front of the lace there, and I'm gonna swoop the swoops. That's all I really need to do. The hair is already styled, so I'm gonna take my time and do this. Yo, this is too easy, perfect for my beginners.
So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
Check me out. What? So good, so good, so good, so neat. What? Let me tell you about Wiggins. My experience with them is always super consistent. The quality stays consistent, and I absolutely love that. Like, when you order a wig from Wiggins, just know you're getting, I feel like you're getting your money's worth, like truly. So they pay attention to details so well, like how you say they're doing a pre-braided, pre-styled wig overall for you. It's like they take their time, it's presented well, it's just, it looks so realistic. The quality of the hair feels amazing. It's silky, it's soft, it's full. You're not seeing through the wig, you know? It's really top tier, honestly. I 10 out of 10 recommend. I 10 out of 10 recommend. I think they definitely, you know, did what they were supposed to do. They got it right. So as I said, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. All the specifications are listed down below. This is just too cute. Of course, when you're ready, you can go ahead and feel free to you know, take the braids down or whatever. It's a whole 13x6. You have the freedom to style it however you wanna, but I think it's definitely convenient that you get the wig pre-styled, so you don't have to worry about, you know, going to the salon to get a look like this. If you wanted to do a look like this, you know, you don't have to worry about customization. It comes customized, right? So I definitely think those things add, and that's the reason why it's so perfect for a beginner. So yeah, there you have it. That's it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I love it. Love it. Always look forward to my Wiggins wigs because I just know they are gonna eat every time. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.